They're playing well.
Yeah.
Hopefully they keep it up.
I hope so. Yep, off.
Lucas.
No, it was 14 when it, well, no. 14 had the puck, somebody else was in. I didn't see who it was.
He pulled it back.
Yeah.
He tried to pull it back.
Yeah, but he was already across. Whoops.
Down goes Drake.
Oh, nice play.
Nice keeping.
Yeah, it was. Oh! Icing. I wonder why he didn't go with the Ides this one.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't like him using that one. It looks awkward. What's that?
He's resting. He's resting.
I guess.
That's his rest stance, I guess. I asked him before.
He's probably singing.
Yeah, he's probably singing or something. Who knows? Oh! No, I asked him because I thought something was wrong with him in the one game, and he's like, "No, I was just resting." Like, all right. Oh, almost. Now, if you watch him, he does that in our games too. Was that a shot?
Jump up, dude. See how he's laying up.
What's that?
See how the blade's not sitting.
Yeah. Bad timing. Oh!
It was an accident. It was off time.